Hi everyone, welcome to share classes. Today in this video we have to draw a circle of radius 6.4 centimeter or diameter 12.8 centimeter. So let's start the video. First of all, drawing here the radius 6.4 centimeter. So this is starting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and this is 6.4 centimeter, and we know that radius of a circle is half of diameter. So this is 6.4 centimeter. Now taking here a point. Next, taking the length 6.4 centimeter by using compass and putting the compass on the point, and now drawing here a arc by this way, and which represent a circle with radius 6.4 centimeter. Next, joining this one, and which is the radius of this circle. Now taking here the center O and here A. So OA equal to 6.4 centimeter. So therefore radius OA equal to 6.4 centimeter. That's all. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful to you, then please share it with your friend. Thanks for watching.